So I've realized there's this big word that people think is confusing. And I just want to simplify this term, or not word, but a term for you. Passive income, right, is an unexpected income. An income that you don't know when it's coming, what time it's coming, where it's coming from, but it's coming. Right? Because of things that you have done beforehand, because of things that you've put in place beforehand. This all comes from your automations. This might sound, when I say automations, it might sound complicated, but in fact, it's not. It's a couple of steps that you have to do in the very beginning of your digital marketing journey that allows you to have money and not have to sit behind a computer or in a system or follow up a specific process every morning in order for that thing to work for you for 8 to 9 hours a day. Automations is set up in the very beginning and it runs for you through someone just putting their emails in there. And once they do that, they get automated emails, they get your flyers, they get your notifications, they get personalized information that you send out to them through your automations. And then they also have access to everything that you have available to them in your store. So automations is what makes it possible for you to have a short day. Whether it is 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, whatever suits you, automation makes that possible, that you don't have to sit and be like forced behind a workspace. But then the same very automations that you set up one time in the beginning of your process is the reason you make passive pay. Right? So someone might see your video today, a video that you created a year ago, and that video might sit with them and go, yeah, that's the video. That's the person for me. And that becomes passive pay when that person decides to purchase from you. Because that person can purchase from you at 3 a.m. in the morning when you in bed tucked away, and that is the moment that they feel I'm ready now. Passive daily pay is literally somebody deciding on their time to entrust their finances or their sale, their I don't know, their journey with you at any given time. And then you are just there to assist the person, to mentor the person, whatever they need. But then the good thing also on the other hand is sometimes they purchase, you don't know who they are, they never reach out, and that person still gets what they need from you. So don't confuse yourself. Don't overcomplicate it. Passive pay is for anybody that's willing to change their lives the way that it looks right now. And you are one of those people that are sitting there complicating things just by the fact that you don't understand what passive pay is or how it's possible. So if you are sick and tired of the cycle or the rat race or the craziness of whatever the heck's going on in your bank account, comment me in the comments so I can assist you, or just ask me any question that you need in terms of more information, or go visit the thing upstairs there in the beginning on the top of my profile.